Hey friends, real quick, one of the biggest questions as a mortgage lender that I get on a daily basis is what's the interest rate? What's the APR? A lot of people have those confused. They think they should both flow exactly the same, and there's differences depending on what type of loan you're receiving, your credit score, everything else involved. Here's a quick snapshot of it, if you will. The interest rate is the annual cost of a loan to a borrower. The APR is the annual percentage rate. That includes closing costs, mortgage insurance, taxes, and other fees. So there lies the difference, guys. Big difference. Know what you're talking about when you're asking for quotes and everything else involved, especially if you're getting an FHA versus a conventional. Big difference, guys. For more information on this and more, reach out. Love to help. Have a fantastic day and week.